Elections are over. The electoral battle has been won by the BJP, but the war of words between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party continues in the national capital. Major political controversy has now erupted after Delhi BJP's chief Virendra Sachdeva has accused former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of stealing. That's right. As per the BJP, Arvind Kejriwal has stolen the official X account of Delhi Chief Minister's office and renamed it to Kejriwal at Work before eventually allegedly deleting it. BJP has accused Aam Aadmi Party of usurping the official account of Delhi Chief Minister's office, converting it into Kejriwal's personal account and then deleting it. What do they want now? They have demanded from LG that IT department of Delhi government should file an FIR and probe the matter. Listen in to what BJP has to say.
तो चोरी और लूट की जो आदत अरविंद केजरीवाल की है, वो शराब घोटाला हो, जल बोर्ड हो, इतने घोटाले किए हैं। अब वो डिजिटल लुटेरे बन गए। ये जो संपत्ति है, ये सरकारी पैसे से खर्च की संपत्ति है, सरकार की संपत्ति है। इसको आप कैसे अपना टेक ओवर कर सकते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल? सीधी सीधी चोरी है। और मैंने बताया कि वो ऑफिशियल एक तरह से मान के चलिए कि हैबिचुअल ऑफेंडर बन गए हैं कि मुझे हर चीज में चोरी करनी है। ये सीधा सीधा एक डिजिटल चोरी है और इसकी हम माननीय उपराज्यपाल से शिकायत कर रहे हैं, मांग कर रहे हैं कि उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाए, कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाए और दिल्ली सरकार का जो भी आईटी विभाग है वो इसकी जांच करे।
So literally, BJP has got yet another handle to flog the Aam Aadmi Party with. So what exactly are the allegations that are being levelled by the Saffron Party that is now also in power in the national capital? Let's take you through those allegations one by one. First of all, they are saying that former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal usurped CMO's official X account. Then they're saying that it was nothing but an act of digital loot that was being committed by the man who also happens to be Aam Aadmi Party's national convener. They are saying that this is plunder of Delhi government's digital resources because BJP says that that handle as an official handle of the chief minister belongs to the Delhi government and not to a particular party or a particular person who happens to hold that position. Another charge is that the X handle created with government money a decade ago. So it's not just about digital loot, they're also linking it to taxpayers' money. Former CM stole CMO handle after losing elections is another charge that has been levelled by the BJP. So what exactly does Aam Aadmi Party have to say in their defence? Here is what they have said so far. They are saying that the Saffron Party is indulging in baseless mudslinging because they have nothing else to do. They are saying that BJP must refrain from making such claims and BJP should instead focus on governing Delhi now that it has finally come to power after 27 years. Governance in Delhi is already suffering, which is very interesting for Aam Aadmi Party to say they were the ones who were in power for more than 10 years. BJP has just taken over. In fact, their CM is yet to be announced. They haven't even taken over officially. Ensure Delhi gets electricity 24/7. Now, the context to this is that there have been prolonged power cuts in Delhi and Aam Aadmi Party has been saying, look what happens when BJP comes to power. BJP says it was collusion between Aam Aadmi Party and the DISCOMs. So that charge also being linked to this one. Now we've got a reaction coming in from Aam Aadmi Party. We've got Atishi who has reacted to this. She was the last CM of Delhi. She says that she is saying it is for the Twitter to decide what action should be taken. There are clear rules and regulations in place on that matter, and then let X platform take a decision. Tejashree joins us for more on this story. Tejashree, first of all, put things in perspective. Tell us what really happens to these social media accounts as per due process once the incumbent vacates.
Well, see, as far as the process is concerned, let us first talk about that what was the name of this particular handle. This particular handle was named as CMO Delhi. Whenever an individual is elected as the chief minister of that particular state or of that particular place, like say Delhi, so that particular individual's team will be handling the account of CMO Delhi. Not just that, the previous social media tweets or in fact the posts that have been made by that handle, that all will be archived and the sitting chief minister Minister will be posting their work because he or she is on the constitutional position. That is why he cannot use it for the personal purpose, but for the government purpose, for the work that he has done for the people as the part of the government. Number two, now what are the allegations that have been leveled up by the BJP? BJP is calling it a digital loot, saying that now the name of the Delhi CMO handle itself was changed to Arvind Kejriwal at work. Not just that, in fact, remember that the last post from this particular handle was made on 6th of January 2025, and then Arvind Kejriwal, after losing the elections, has looted the digital media also, has looted the social media also, and has changed the name to Arvind Kejriwal at work, and now BJP is questioning that why there is a need for Aam Aadmi Party to do so. Yesterday, Aam Aadmi Party issued a statement saying that these allegations are baseless. Today, Atishi in fact held a press conference, and in fact when we asked the question regarding this entire controversy over the X handle of Delhi CMO name change to Arvind Kejriwal at work, she said that it is now upon the X to take action according to the guidelines, according to the rules that they have in their rule book. So it is upon them. But initially, if you see the in fact response coming in from the former Chief Minister or the outgoing Chief Minister Atishi, she is clearly saying this particular, she is in fact indirectly accepting this particular
the bite that you are
fact.
referring to, we have it now. Let's play it out for our viewers. Listen into Atishi.
देखिए, ट्विटर जो अब एक्स के नाम से जाना जाता है, उसकी बहुत क्लियर कट पॉलिसीज हैं अकाउंट ओनरशिप को लेके, बहुत क्लियर कट लीगल गाइडलाइंस हैं. तो जो लीगल गाइडलाइंस हैं उनके अनुसार ट्विटर के हैंडल को जो भी एक्शन लेना है वो लिया जाएगा.
So a fresh flashpoint between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP in Delhi. This time it is over Twitter handles. Why does it become significant for anyone to stake claim to these handles? Because as per media reports, there are 9 lakh followers of the account that was in the name of CMO, which was later changed in Kejriwal's name. Moving on to Karnataka, where all right, we have got more development coming in related to Delhi. Now there is latest coming in that Times Now is learning is that the date for swearing in has been decided. Sources are telling us that there is going to be a crucial BJP meeting on the 17th and 18th of February. And the swearing in is likely to take place on the 19th of February. My colleague Himanshu Tiwari is joining us for more details. Himanshu, we always knew that the swearing in was going to take place once Prime Minister is back from his foreign tours to France and the United States. How final is this final date? And now that the date has been announced, does that mean that BJP finally has clarity on who is going to be their chief ministerial face?
जी बिल्कुल. देखिए, आज रात को 10 बजे तक प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपने अमेरिका दौरे से लौटकर आ जाएंगे और उम्मीद ये जताई जा रही है कि कल अगले 24 घंटे जो हैं वो दिल्ली के लिए बहुत अहम होने वाले हैं, क्योंकि दिल्ली में जो मुख्यमंत्री का फेस है वो तय किया जाएगा कि कौन होगा. साथ ही ये भी तय किया जाएगा कि क्या डिप्टी सीएम होगा एक कि नहीं होगा. उसके अलावा जो 6 मंत्री बनने हैं वो कौन हो सकते हैं. इन तमाम बातों को लेकर जो है फाइनल डिसीजन जो है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के आने बाद होगा. उसके बाद में ये कयास लगाए जा रहे हैं कि 17 या 18 तारीख को, या तो 17 तारीख को विधायक दल की बैठक हो सकती है या 18 तारीख को हो सकती है, और 19 फरवरी जो है 19 फरवरी को दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री का शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होगा. इसमें तमाम जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी रूल्ड स्टेट्स हैं उनके तमाम मुख्यमंत्री उसमें आने वाले हैं. बीजेपी की जो केंद्रीय लीडरशिप है वो उसमें रहने वाली है. तो एक भव्य तरीके से, क्योंकि 27 साल के बाद में दिल्ली की सत्ता पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी काबिज हुई है, तो और निश्चित तौर पर कोई छोटी मोटी जीत नहीं मिली, उसको बहुत बड़ी सफलता मिली है. तो इस सफलता को पूरी दुनिया भर में बताने के लिए, और जैसा कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने जीत के बाद में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुख्यालय में कहा था कि पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि दिल्ली में भी, केंद्र में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, दिल्ली स्टेट में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हो गई है, और आसपास के जो राज्य हैं, मतलब एनसीआर जो लगता है वहां पर भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है. तो इसको एक बड़े तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करना चाहती है भारतीय जनता पार्टी. एक संदेश देना चाहती है विपक्ष को कि किस तरीके से जो है उसने जीत हासिल की है, और जो कमिटमेंट तमाम किए गए हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से दिल्ली वासियों को, उन तमाम कमिटमेंट को पूरा करने के लिए किस तरीके से बीजेपी तत्पर है। तो ये जो शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होने वाला है, ये कोई छोटा मोटा शपथ ग्रहण समारोह नहीं होगा, एक बड़ा होगा और शक्ति प्रदर्शन की तरह होगा। इसीलिए इसको बेहतर तरीके से करने के लिए थोड़ा सा समय भारतीय जनता पार्टी जरूर ले रही है। प्रधानमंत्री एक बार लौट कर आ जाए, उसके बाद में प्रधानमंत्री के, क्योंकि भारत में ही बहुत सारे दौरे लगे हुए, प्रधानमंत्री को मुंबई भी जाना है, प्रधानमंत्री को आसाम भी जाना है, मध्य प्रदेश में भी जाना है, कई जगहों पर जाना है। इसी दौरान बीच में एक दिन का समय निकालकर 19 फरवरी के आसपास का यह प्रोग्राम तय किया जा सकता है, जब प्रधानमंत्री के सामने दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री शपथ लेंगे और पूरा मंत्रिमंडल जो है शपथ लेगा। अब स्थान भी तय होना है, रामलीला मैदान में होगा या कोई बड़े स्टेडियम में होगा, किस तरीके से होगा, वो तमाम सारी चीजों को तय करना है भारतीय जनता पार्टी को। लेकिन विधायक दल की बैठक 17-18 तारीख को होगी, जिसमें पर्यवेक्षक को तय किया जाएगा और पर्यवेक्षक जाकर तय कर लेंगे कि दिल्ली का अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा। तो तैयारियां जो हैं जोर शोर से चल रही हैं।
Is when in all likelihood we are going to see Delhi getting its next chief minister. Thank you for joining us with those details. Taking a very quick break.